When tapping, it's a good practice to ream first. Reaming ensures that the hole is the right starting diameter, truly round, and that the surface finish is uniform. An edge break that is slightly larger than the tap diameter is also recommended. When tapping stainless steel as shown here, it's important that we don't get the workpiece too hot or the tool. We're generating a small amount of steam here, but it's cooking the fluid and not the workpiece or the tool. Stainless steel especially has a tendency to work harden. Work hardening is often an unintentional part of the machining process, where the cutting tool generates enough heat in one area to harden the workpiece. It results in plastic deformation, which alters the physical structure of the metal being machined. Starting hole diameter is one of the most critical factors when tapping. In this case, when creating a 2B thread, the minor diameter should be between 0.798 and 0.814. In this case, we selected a 0.8125 reamer.